Alright, let's see how we do for this video. Man, I need super soft start in a bad way. I'm going to try to ignore the camera, fly the belt. My fourth pack tonight. I'm very rusty. That tail is not holding real well. Other than that, she's nice and smooth. Like it. Trying to split my vision between the camera and the heli, make sure it's on the camera. Probably not a good idea. Can we make it 4 packs with the same drive gear? I don't know. That's the E-Flite Blade 400 drive gear. I can't wait to get those MX 400s this week. I got 2 of them coming. I'm just going to have to figure a way to fly 3 or 4 times a week until I get my skills in line. Problem has been keeping this thing in the air that long. Side end, not bad. I've been having trouble doing right side end tonight. I'm going to order a USB SIM controller this week. Try to get on the sim some more, I'm sure that'll help. This 800 pack won't last very long, that's for sure. I keep lifting the controller up higher and higher. I need to let it hang on the strap. Relax. Get some nice shots here for you guys. I love that Trek 450 tail blade. Love it. I got the pitch gain turned down quite a bit. Got some pretty good head speed on this thing. Probably as much as I dare. I think I feel the pack going a little soft. We got maybe 30 seconds left here. Time for some serious charging in a minute. I don't know, man, 4 packs without a wreck or stripping out a gear or any other mechanical failure. Good night. Yeah, I guess we'll be gentle and not try to go idle up tonight. Try to let it live another day. I don't know, I might put that MX 400 gear in when I do the MG90S Turbo later this week. Probably get some more flying in here Wednesday. Start trying to develop some skills. And that's about all she has. It'll be nice to the lipo. That's not pretty. Let's put a nice pretty landing here. Maybe. I like making nice landings. I don't like to just plop it down. Alright, I'll try to get some more later.